YouTube, what is going on? Welcome back to my channel. It's your boy 360 Juice, and I'm back with another video for y'all. Wow, 2 videos in one day. I'm killing it. It's funny, we come crazy. Anyways, happy New Year's, you guys. If you guys aren't already subscribed to my second channel, I'm gonna have the link down in the description below, and just click that. It's gonna take you right over, or I'm gonna have it up here somewhere on a card. You know, just click that and go subscribe to my second channel. I really appreciate it. Also, guys, if you want to copy 260 King Wavy merch, that's gonna be in the description. Also, click that, and then once you purchase anything that you purchase, do not forget to use my discount code 360juice26 for 26% off. All right, today's video is gonna be a quick reaction video to the best 360 waves in the world, part 7. All right, I did a couple reactions on that, and it was pretty alright. All right, so I'm gonna give this another try. If I don't like it, I don't think I'm gonna be doing reactions to these ever again. All right, so let's give it a try. Without further ado, let's get right into the video, guys.
Happen. They ain't sick of me rapping. They know that I'm never lacking. You ain't never gotta ask me. I'ma do what I gotta do for the fam. I'ma make it happen. Was on the way out, but I'm backing. Need a new bank account with the cash in it.
I'm gonna just put the volume down because I don't want no copyright, man. No crown. We're gonna crown. Okay. It looks nice though, I ain't gonna lie. It looks nice. This one's a close-up. Let me see. Damn, nice. Sheesh. That's dope, man. That's dope. Working the connections though. That's nice though. Oh, he got the velvet do-rag. Hold up. If you guys don't already got your 2/6 King Wavy velvet do-rag, go cop that right now. Discount code 360juice26 for 26% off. Don't forget that. Let's get it. Oh, we got a straight hair. Wow, that's nice, bro. Straight hair wavers, man, y'all can get waves. You gotta believe. You gotta believe, cause this is the truth right there. Nice. That look like Bailey Murphy, man. That's Bailey. Bailey, that's you, baby. Bailey. I just said some nonsense. But Bailey, he got like 100 do-rags on. Take them off. I'm in a good mood. First day of the new year, 2020. Happy New Year's, guys. Come on, dude. All that for that? Come on, dude. You waste my time, yo. You look alright, though. I ain't gonna lie. You look alright. You look alright. Ooh, the body babe. Body babe. You already know her junk fire, man. Come on, dude. Come on, dude. Bro, she done won that whole compilation. But that junk spinning. And that blue look nice, man. I'm also thinking about dyeing my hair a maroon color. Maybe next month. I don't know. Let me know what y'all think. But you already know the Baldy Babe killed that. Nice, man, nice. Wow, this is nice so far, man. It's holding up to its title. Best 360 waves in the world. Top wavers, get out of here, top wavers. I don't mess with top wavers no more because they don't be posting me, man. Yo, her wave's nice too, man. Her wave's, come on, dude. Why we always gotta, don't nobody wanna watch no commercials, no ads. Skip that, let's get it. Alright, I'm recording. Gotta make sure I'm recording my reaction, you feel me? Ooh. Who y'all think better? Y'all think she better or y'all think the Baldy Babe better? I got the Baldy Babe all day, man. Baldy Babe all day. But she nice though, she's spinning. She working with little bruh. Dang. Nice. Rope guard. Say nah. You ain't no rope guy yet, boy. You nice though, Working your crown though. I don't know what you saying. Whew. Wolfing. That hairline messed up. So you know you wolfing. Spinning, boy. Damn, that just look nice. Couple forks. Damn, that just look nice. Sheesh. Nice. That back looks super good, man. The back looks super good, super silky, super lead. I hope my camera don't die because my gonna be dying on me when I'm doing these reaction videos. Nice, man, nice. Sheesh, man. It's a couple good wavers out there, man. I didn't even know we had some good wavers like this. Cause I don't know nothing about them. They don't be posting. Nah, they be posting. Oh, PB the GOAT. He got the doozy on his temple right there. That's his son. Yo, his son's spinning, yo. His son spinning. I ain't gonna lie, I think his son's spinning more than me. Shit, I ain't gonna lie. People to go. 360 Bleaky. 360 Jeezy in the building. You already know, man. Spinning. Ghost only, you heard. 360 Jeezy. You already know he's spinning. I see a little fort right there. 360 Jeezy. Gotta work on that fort, man. I mean, they slacking, you know. But they still ghosts, though. They still ghosts. You know, I learned from the best. They my mentors. They the one that taught me how to get waves, you feel me? Get spinning like I am right now. I'm talking too much, bro. I'm talking too much. I'm just excited, guys. I apologize, man. Nice. This is better than the last ones, man. I like this. The only reason I chose to do a reaction to this. Oh, I forgot to give a big shout out to my boy 360 Works. He told me to do a reaction to this, man. I should have put that in the beginning of the video. But shout out to 360 Works, man. 360 Works told me to make a reaction video to this. You know, cause my barber on the cover too, Clutch the Barber. But 360 Works, shout outs to you, man. Shout outs to you, 360 Works. Keep doing your thing, man. Nice, that's a nice color too. Nah, it's not. It doesn't pop out, like the waves don't pop out with that color. I feel like maroon works best. Nice. He in the army. No excuses. He in the army. And he's still brushing. No excuses, guys. You sitting at home, you gotta brush. Ooh, blue looks nice too, man, but I don't never do no exotic color like blue. I'ma stick with maroon. Maroon and black. That's it. Nice. Got a drop fade. I think I've seen this one already. I don't know. But let's see what you're working with, bro. Yo, what's going on? Bro, I'm about to end this, yo. Stop putting ads in my videos, yo. Shit, I ain't gonna get paid for this. I ain't getting paid for your ads. Come on, dude. Don't be doing that to me. I knew I seen this one before. It's nice. That was like the first reaction video I did. This waves, they in there, man. They in there. He look like a medium hair waver. He like medium, kind of medium and straight. Like he's like medium straight in the middle of medium and straight. He's not straight. He's not medium. He's like in the middle. See what you're working with, King. I can't see. I can't see none. I can't see none. I just see a bald spot. Come on, dude. I can't see none, man. You just messed your boy up. You know, Tatted, I'm tatted. You know, he got the silkiest waves in the world. You feel me? I don't know if he was a kid or not, but hey, man, silkiest waves in the world. I don't know how he get his hair like that. But I wish my hair could be like that. But it ain't gonna happen though. Cause I'm Haitian. Got coarse hair. You know, I used to have peasy hair once in a time. What am I trying to say? Once upon a time, I used to have peasy hair. What the heck is he brushing his hair with? Oh, that's how he gets his waves to be silky. That's how he get. That's the secret, y'all. He used that brush right there. That's the brush he used. That's the brush he. Oh, and he brushed it back. I'm gonna do that. That's how I get my hair silky. I'm gonna brush it back with that brush. He used a detangling shower brush. Yo. I know the secret now, alright? You need a detangling shower. Guys, I'm messing with y'all. That's not true. Don't listen to me right now. I'm crazy right now, man. I ain't had nothing to drink, alright? So don't think I had something to drink. I had nothing to drink. I just been drinking water. And you already know I had some soup soon, you feel me? You feel me? First day of the year, January 1st. Yo, that, oh my god, that color looks sexy. That color, bruh. That color, no homo, that color, man. There'll be no circles in the building. That's how he be talking. But yeah, I already had my soup zoom, you feel me? I had 2 plates already for me. You dig? Tell me that's not how circles be talking. Sir Cruz in the building. What's up, everybody? Alright, everybody. See what you working with, dude. Huh? I don't know about this one. I mean, it's silky. It's in there. It's in. I get some. I get some. Alright. Don't hate on me on the comments, man. It's in there. It's in there. Alright, get out of here. Woo! Brownie Blends in the building. You feel me? Brownie to the blends. Brownie to the blends. Brownie blends. Let me see them waves. Cook. That just look dope, man. Straight medium waver right there. You know, you can't touch no Corsair wavers though, you feel me? Corsair wavers, we like that, man. We the ghost of waving. He look like a straight hair waver. Let me see what he working with. Straight hair waver. Like I said. Look nice though. Like that little color right there. You know, he look like he got 720s. That crown looks dope. Sheesh. That looks tough, man. No, I just saw you, bro. Get out of here. I just saw you, bro. Oh, you got the ponytail. Slick that wavy, slicky ponytail, slick. Oh, King Combs. I don't know how you guys waves like that, man. King Combs, your waves look, I don't know. They look, I don't know. They look, I don't know. That's how your waves look, man. King Combs waves look like I don't know. Alright, this is gonna be the last one, y'all. We gonna end this with a banger. This is gonna look dope. Alright, you guys. Once again, big shout out to 360 Works for telling me, you know, asking me to make this video, you feel me? I couldn't make this video without shutting my boy out, you feel me? He gave me an idea to make this video. But hey man, that's it for this video. Happy New Year's to everyone. You know, hopefully this year, all my wavers, all my subscribers, all my supporters, you know, we brushing this shit, you know. We attacking everything that we have set out for the future, you feel me? You got goals, you gotta attack that, you feel me? Stay motivated, stay consistent, don't ever give up. Alright, that's it for this video. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you leave a like, comment if you're new to my channel. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button, and we are out of here. Peace.